Ever seen a place where gravity seems to take a day off? Imagine cars rolling uphill, waterfalls reversing, and objects standing on strange angles. Today, we're revealing 10 spots on Earth where gravity doesn't seem to play by the rules. 1. Mount Aragats, Armenia. We begin at Mount Aragats in Armenia. At one specific spot on this mountain, cars roll uphill, water flows backward, and objects defy gravity right before your eyes. Scientists have confirmed this phenomenon as an optical illusion, yet the place holds a mysterious energy that just doesn't feel natural. It's one of the world's most puzzling places, where gravity seems to lose its grip. 2. Reverse Gravity Road, South Korea. Next, we travel to South Korea, to a road outside Jeju where cars appear to roll uphill, defying gravity. Known as the Reverse Gravity Road, this spot draws tourists from all over. Experts say it's an optical illusion caused by the landscape, but standing there, you'd swear gravity has taken a day off. 3. Oregan Vortex USA in Gold Hill, Oregon. The Oregan Vortex has been baffling visitors for decades. Here, people report feeling heavier on one side of the property, and objects roll uphill. Visitors standing next to each other can appear vastly different in height depending on their position. Some believe it's a magnetic vortex. Others think it's just a trick of perspective. It's a mind-bending place you have to see to believe. 4. Cosmos Mystery Area, South Dakota, USA. In Rapid City, South Dakota, the Cosmos Mystery Area defies gravity in the strangest ways. People find themselves tilted at impossible angles, and balls roll uphill, seemingly on their own. This area, discovered in the 1950s, has puzzled visitors for years and leaves many questioning the laws of balance and gravity. 5. Spook Hill, Florida, USA. In Lake Wales, Florida, Spook Hill has captivated locals for generations. Cars here appear to roll uphill when left in neutral, and legend has it that a Native American chief fought an alligator spirit on this very hill, leaving a supernatural force behind. Scientists say it's an optical illusion, but standing on Spook Hill, it feels like something supernatural is at work. 6. Gravity Hill, Pennsylvania, USA. Gravity Hill in Bedford County, Pennsylvania, is another place where gravity seems off. Cars, water, and even balls seem to roll uphill here. Some say it's due to the unique angle of the landscape, while others believe it's a real gravitational anomaly. This spot definitely leaves visitors scratching their heads. 7. Reverse Waterfall, India. In Nanikat, India, you'll find a reverse waterfall where water flows against gravity. Powerful winds push the water back up the cliff, creating the effect of a waterfall flowing in reverse. It's a surreal experience and makes you feel as if the Earth itself is bending nature's rules. 8. Hoover Dam, USA. At the iconic Hoover Dam, water seems to defy gravity by flowing upward when poured over the edge. This strange effect happens because of powerful updrafts created by the dam's structure and the hot desert air below. It's a fascinating reminder of how nature and engineering can combine to create gravity-defying effects. 9. Mystery Spot, Santa Cruz, California, USA. In Santa Cruz, California, the mystery spot has been puzzling visitors since the 1940s. People lean at impossible angles, and objects roll uphill. Is it a gravitational anomaly, or are we simply deceived by a tilted landscape? Either way, visitors leave convinced that something unusual is happening here. 10. Magnetic Hill, Canada. Finally, we end our journey at Magnetic Hill in New Brunswick, Canada. This spot has become famous for its gravity-defying mystery, where cars appear to roll uphill all on their own. Many believe it's an optical illusion caused by the surrounding landscape, but standing there, it's easy to believe that something strange is at work. These 10 places make you rethink everything you know about the laws of physics. Whether it's illusion or reality, Earth is full of mind-bending surprises. Want to explore more of Earth's secrets? Hit like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure into the unknown.